still am learning because it's difficult as a father not to actually butt in when they're talking or not try to impose what you know or you've learned. So I think listening to them has been a key for me. The other thing that I use works like a charm is being funny. Just allowing them to laugh and goofy and being childlike. I think that has gotten me out of trouble with them a lot of time. And even when I have to be a strong father and parent, being able to use my kids and get back in their place, so to speak. It's not all I have to. It's so important. It's an escape. You need an escape, and the escape sometimes for me is sport, sometimes entertainment. But pampering has, over the years, definitely been a way of strengthening my resolve and helping me to be the man I am. When you are growing up, you would think that it's probably feminine or probably not manly to come and get pampered. They parenting to the male, but I found it to be so relaxing. There's so many moments, but probably the one that stands out was recently too, in 2017, when I was able to take the girls to Disney World to just be there and experience magic with them. Having wanting to do that as a child, that for me was a real standout moment. It really helped them to learn to dream. That's what Disney World is all about. So where Walt Disney said, other people might copy what you do, but they can't copy the magic. And things like that on the day. And I think that we had that vacation really brought us so much closer together. It was really special. Fatherhood is difficult, and you question yourself, you second guess, and you wonder if you're doing it right. Sometimes the signs show you that you're not doing it right. I mean, my daughters would have been under more pressure because both myself and their mother did well academically. They're grown in a family where we have high standards, and so when they both went to high school and it was time for CSEC, they were under serious pressure. And I think initially the pressure was just get ones or get twos, do your best, and it was pushing and pushing. But then after a while we realized that that wasn't working. And we had to kind of step back to go forward. And stepping back, we were able to help them personally. We got help because we weren't able to help, so we got help for them. If somebody outside, we could talk with them, pray with them, we guide them, and both of them did extremely well, did much better than even I did at high school, and that was the plan for the next generation to come and do better than you are. And that's all you can ask for. The children get the chance to do a little better and support them, even if they don't. As a child, I didn't have my father around as much as I wanted. He worked very hard and he was away a lot. So I said to myself, I'm going to be there a little bit more for my girls. Truth is, at a point where work started to take over and consume me, I had to give up money. I had to leave money at the table because the same thing that I craved as a child, I didn't want it to be. And it's a little different with boys than girls. I mean, as a boy, I was running around playing football most of the time. It wasn't as bad, but as girls, they needed care and they need somebody strong to be there for them and to help them through tough times. So, yeah, that's the thing that as a child I didn't have, which I ensured that my daughters had. And being there with them and for them sometimes didn't work. They didn't want to do it sometimes, and that's the tricky part. They'll be there with you and you'll be there with them, and they're like, okay, that's just my space now. And especially the teenagers, those are rough because now they get their own individual state and they block you from their social media pages and all of that. But I get back at them, yeah. Man, them on the gelding truck. You know, I have 3 bits of advice for them. You can have 3 bits of advice for the men on the gelding. But the first one is probably from a noted philosopher who said, Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to be. Oh God. Someone on the gelding truck, yeah, like Wayne Marshall said, pray about it. That's the first thing. Second thing though, hang on to the gelding truck. Don't jump off, Richard. It's not easy being a father until you're ready financially, emotionally, spiritually. Stay upon the gelding truck. Remember me tell you. And the third thing would be to those persons who probably cannot be a father for whatever reason. And it would be, my advice to them would be to find someone to mentor, to support, to help. And you can do your fatherly duties circuitously through somebody else, or vicariously, I should say, through someone else. So, gelding truck better for a reason, man. Don't be in a hurry to jump off.